we are going to use the round corner plug-in. So you need to go over to View, Toolbars, turn on Round Corner. It's this toolbar right here. The way this tool works is it does what it says it does. It rounds off the corners. So if I made a shape like that, now in order to edit this shape, I have to get into it, which means I click, click, click. Right now I'm inside it, right? I'm inside the shape. I can actually edit it. You can also explode it and then regroup if you want, but it's just easier to keep it kind of as a group. That. So I take over here and I click on round corner. When I do, all this stuff shows up, but I want you to ignore absolutely everything except for right here, this offset. This is going to tell you how much the corner is going to be rounded. So for instance, I'm going to click on here. See that right there? That green line is going to round to there. Right now, the offset is at 3 inches. If I wanted to change that, I could say I wanted 6 inches. So now it's that much bigger. If you don't know how many inches you want it to be, or millimeters or centimeters or whatever you're using, just measure it. Just go over here and use your measure tool and figure out, this is about, say I want this to be around, this whole thing is, all right, let's do it this way. Right, so that's about 5 inches to there, 6 inches. You can set 7 inches to there. So I know I want it to be about 7 inches. Let's go with that. So I go over here again, round corner, set this to 7 inches. Okay. And now it's where I had that measurement tool because it's 7 inches right there. So now I'm going to press enter. And now it's rounded. That's all that this does. It just rounds your corners. So ignore absolutely everything except for the offset. And then when you're done, it's going to go back into it, and it's done. And that's it. I also want to show you how to rotate something like this. Say you want to rotate this. You go over here with your rotate tool. You click on your rotate tool and see how it's black and it's kind of all over the place and it's not, you don't really know. You want to go in a certain axis, but you really can't. The only true axis it's showing right now is the blue one. So what you need to do is go and click on those arrow keys. So I just clicked on the right arrow key, and I'm now going to rotate this. So I click here, I click in the middle, I click to an end, and now I'm rotating this like 90 degrees. Okay, say I wanted to rotate it again. Now this time I want to find that blue axis again. So I click the up arrow. So now when I go to move, it's going to go around that direction. So if you use your arrow keys and try not, unless you have some kind of control over it when it's kind of spinning everywhere, you're better off doing rotate, choose your object by hovering over it until it gets selected, and then do those arrows. That's the up key, that is the left key, and that is the right key. Okay, so just practice the round corner tool and try rotating some stuff.